Good morning, students. Uh, you are welcome to my English video, class 7th, English, Unit 8, The Wolves of Cernogrades. Already we have explained this chapter, this story, and now we are going to discuss its question answers. There are two parts, A and B. In A parts, there are 5 sets, but we are doing only 4 sets. First 4 sets, 1 2 3 4. Each set is having 2 or 3 questions. Now part A. Everyone turned and looked at her in astonishment. This line has been taken from the story. Now it's question A. Which woman is being referred to here? Emily, the old governess, is being referred to here. Question B. Why did everyone look at her in astonishment? Everyone looked at her in astonishment because she usually sat silently and primly at her place and never spoke unless someone spoke to her. Question C. In which manner did she continue and why? She, meaning Emily. She means here Emily. Emily, the old governess. Emily continued rapidly and nervously because she was feeling uncomfortable to speak in front of so many people. However, she made up her mind to talk about the legend. Now, second set number 2. The exact extract from your story. The answer to her taunt was even more unexpected and astonishing. This extract has been taken from your story, The Wolves of Cernogrades. Now, question A. Who is being referred to here? इसको यहाँ पर हर कौन है, ये किसको रेफर किया गया है? आंसर Baroness Grubel is being referred to here. Question B. What was the taunt? Taunt क्या था? Taunt means रिमार्क जो हम किसी के ऊपर पास करते हैं. तो बैरनेस का रिमार्क क्या था? What was the taunt? Whom was the speaker taunting and why? Baroness had taunted at Emily by saying that Emily did not know an expert in the history of their family. ये था कि बैरनेस ने ये रिमार्क पास किया था उसके ऊपर, या ये टॉन्ट मारा था कि एमिली कुछ भी नहीं जानती थी या किसी भी एक्सपर्ट को वो नहीं जानती थी उनकी फैमिली की हिस्ट्री में. एज एमिली हैड चैलेंज, जैसा कि एमिली ने चैलेंज किया था. शी एक्सप्लेन्ड what the legend really was and that it would not reply to someone who is not a Cernogrades. Now question C. What was the answer to the taunt? Baroness के taunt का क्या आंसर था? Why was it unexpected and astonishing? ये unexpected और astonishing means क्यों था, आश्चर्य भरा क्यों था? तो the answer of Emily was to the taunt of Baroness that she knew the legend because she herself was a one Cernogratz. It was unexpected and astonishing because Baroness and guests knew Emily was an old governess, not a Cernogratz. Set number 3. It was an impertinence. This extract has been taken from your story. It was an impertinence. Question A. Who said these words? How did he or she speak and why? The Baron said these words. He snapped as he spoke because he was angry. क्योंकि वो गुस्से में था इसलिए उसने ऐसा बोला. B. Question B. What was the impertinence? Why was it considered an impertinence? Impertinence क्या था और इसको impertinence क्यों consider किया गया? The impertinence was Emily's claim. Emily's claim means Emily का दावा. Emily का ये दावा था ना कि वो एक Cernogratz फैमिली की मेंबर थी और वो कोई ओल्ड गवर्नेंस नहीं थी. The impertinence was Emily's claim that she was actually a von Cernogratz. It was considered an impertinence because the Baron did not believe her. He thought she was trying to prove herself to be superior to them. क्योंकि वो ऐसा कह करके कि वो एक वॉन सर्नोग्रेट्स थी, वो उनसे अपने आप को सुपीरियर होने का दावा करती है, इसलिए उसको बैरन को गुस्सा आया. सेट नंबर 4. One is sorry for her, of course, but it is extremely annoying all of the same. This extract is also taken from your text. Question A. Who is the speaker? Who was he or she referring to? ये ही या शी किसको रेफर किया गया है यहाँ पर? आंसर. Baroness Grubel is the speaker. She was referring to Emily, the governess. Question B. Why was the speaker both annoyed with an sorry to the person? स्पीकर जो था वो दोनों ही तरह से परेशान था. वो गुस्सा भी हो रहा था और दुखी भी हो रहा था उस व्यक्ति से. The Baroness was sorry for Emily. बैरनेस जो थी वो दोनों ही हो रही थी, गुस्सा भी हो रही थी और दुखी भी हो रही थी. किस पे? एमिली पे. बिकॉज शी वॉज इल एंड लुक्ड विदर्ड. विदर्ड मीन्स मुरझाई हुई सी लग रही थी, उसका चेहरा उतरा उतरा सा लगा. एंड शंकन और सिकड़ी सिकड़ी सी लग रही थी. शी वॉज एनॉयड बिकॉज एमिली कुड नॉट वर्क एज मच एज यूजुअल. क्योंकि एमिली हमेशा की तरह इतना अधिक काम नहीं कर पा रही थी जितना कि कर सकती थी. Emily could not work as much as usual when there were so many guests in the house. Question C. Do you think the speaker really felt both annoyed and sorry? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जो स्पीकर है बैरोनेस वो क्रोधित भी हो रही थी और दुखी भी हो रही थी? क्या आपको लगता है ऐसा? Why do you think so? अगर है तो क्यों ऐसा आप सोचते हो? आंसर. नो, Baroness was not really sorry for Emily. She was just annoyed that Emily could not as much as usual. She was already angry with Emily because she had claimed that she was a von Cernogratz, an old and famous family. वो उसको गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा, मतलब उसको एक तरह से शी वॉज नॉट रियली सॉरी, वो दुखी तो नहीं थी इस बात से एमिली की, उसको गुस्सा जरूर आ रहा था कि वो काम नहीं कर पा रही थी जैसा कि हमेशा करती है, और उसको गुस्सा भी इसलिए आया था कि वो अपने आप को एक वॉन सेर्नोग्रेड्स बता रही थी. इस तरह से इन दिस वे दीज 4 questions, 4 sets of different questions I have cleared. सेट नंबर 5 हटा दीजिए, उसको हम नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज सफिशिएंट. एंड नाउ पार्ट बी, complete these sentences. Page number 83. Complete these sentences. There are 6 incomplete sentences we have to complete now. And इसमें आपको अंडरलाइन दिखेगी. This is the remaining part of the incomplete sentence. I am reading before you. Bernice Grubel had not believed that legends because when her mother-in-law had died in the castle, no wolves had howled. Bernice Grubel had not believed, उसने विश्वास नहीं किया था इस पे लेजेंड्स के ऊपर, क्योंकि जब उसकी मदर इन लॉ मरी थी तो जब उस कासल में या उस महल में तो कोई वुल्व्स वहाँ पर नहीं गए थे हाउल करने के लिए. सेकंड, द गवर्नेस एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट द लेजेंड डिड नॉट अप्लाई टू एवरीवन बिकॉज, यहाँ से हम इसको पूरा करते हैं, बिकॉज द वुल्व्स हाउल्ड ओनली व्हेन अ मेंबर ऑफ द सर्नोग्रेड्स फैमिली died in the castle. Third, the governess knew all about the legend because, now we complete, because she herself was a von Cernogratz. Sentence 4. According to the baron, the governess knew about the legend because, now we complete, she had been talking to the peasants about the old Cernogratz family, and because her grandfather may have been a pantry boy in the castle. Sentence 5. The small lapdog crept shivering under the sofa because, now we complete, because it seemed that it sensed something strange was going on. The dogs outside were barking loudly. Sentence 6. The old governess told the baroness to leave the windows open because, now we complete, she wanted to listen to the wolves howling. She believed that they had come to sing for her. Now I have completed all these sentences and I am sending its video also. Now you can write all these question answers and sentences in your notebook with the help of this video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.